In this video, I will show you how to make money online using a free bot, which is a new strategy to earn up to $300 per day online in 2022. So how does it work? Well, we're about to find out. And if you stay until the end of the video, not only I will show you how to make even more money, but I will also teach you how you can set this up from today. That way you could start earning a lot more money without doing the work yourself. So I just found out a brand new website that we've never talked about, that they actually pay you real money for completing simple tasks. But then I also found out this absolutely free software bot that will do all the work for you, so you can enjoy some passive income and earn money without having to spend hours completing those jobs without any previous experience, and of course without investing any money. Now, before we start, even if you end up getting any value at all, I would really appreciate that you could give me a massive like, because that will really help the channel to grow and for me to keep bringing you the latest strategies on digital marketing so you can benefit from them. And also don't hesitate on subscribing, because it's free and then you can always change your mind. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first ones to use it. So before any more delay, let's go into today's strategy so you can make the most money. So let me take you to the computer and show you every single step. So in today's strategy, the first website which I would like you to go to is called superpay.me, and as you can see, this website is backed up by different payment processors and different brands, including Amazon, PayPal, and so on. And this website is going to allow you to be able to get money and start getting some extra cash by doing different tasks online. This could be like pay surveys, watching videos, or completely different paid offers, So in order to join, you will receive a referral bonus of 0.20 when you join, and then, as I said, you will get paid by different ways. So you can come here, you can just click on the video and then you can watch more about it, but basically it will allow you to earn cash, earn points, and earn free rewards. The issue with this website is most of the people, they think they're gonna get the most money by completing survey, but this is not correct. You can actually get more money by watching different videos, So the good thing is a low cash out threshold, meaning that you're gonna get paid almost instantly as soon as you start making some money, which is actually very good. So if you come to registration, this is how it will look. You just need to add all your details. You have to make sure that you put the right information, especially your PayPal email address, so you can get paid right away. And obviously, you're gonna put the right address so the money gets to your account, right? But I'm going to show you some proof. I want to show you some reviews. If you come to Trustpilot, you're gonna see all the different reviews here, more than 2,000 reviews, and you can check it for yourself. You can see the pros and the cons, but it's mostly 5 stars. So basically, this website is actually paying. So I want to show you real proof that this is actually a website that is actually paying you. So I'm going to show you more websites, towards the end of the video, so keep watching. But as well, I want to show you something else. I want to show you some proof. So you can see over here the different users. You're gonna see proof of the different people they're actually getting paid. They're not getting paid thousands of dollars per day, but they're getting a small amount, which actually adds up. So it will all depend on the amount of time that you spend on the platform, So it's very, very simple. You just need to come to registration and then you just add all these details and you can start getting paid today. They have already paid more than 4 million to all the members, So the way it works, you just come to the website, you just join for free, they start taking part of the service, but most importantly, watching videos right here, watching videos and completing offers, and then you are gonna get pay. So another website which I want to show you that you can start getting paid from today is superpay.me. it.com. Okay, so get paid hassle free, collect one-time recurring payments in just a matter of minutes. So they will take care of everything, and then it's backed up by Capterra, which is a great website. And as well, you will be able to start getting payments from this website as soon as you're doing different tasks. You just need to come to the website, sign up, and get money. Another way that you can get paid with superpayme.com is they have a referral program. Okay, so you can come here and you can refer somebody, and then when you refer them, you're gonna get 25% of your referral earnings, which is actually good. So another website which I want to show you is called fast2earn.com. So fast2earn.com is gonna allow you to be able to connect with people, and you will be able to raise up some money depending on the ideas that you have. So our service offers an alternative method for raising finance for a business project and idea. Unlike angel investments, in which one person typically take a large stake in a small business, with our service you can attract a crowd of people, which is actually good. So if you have something interesting to share, then you can see that people are actually getting some money, and they're getting some funding from different users like you and me, depending on the website, on the project, depending on the project you're working on. So another website which I want to share with you, where you're gonna be able to share your referral link, is this one. I want to show you. It's called beerforum.com, beermoneyforum.com. So you can do is you can sign up with this blog or forum, and then you can start putting different posts on the daily basis, and I can guarantee you people will come to the website and they will actually click on your link, and then you will get paid on your referral. So you will get 25% of your referral earnings. Very straightforward, a good forum for you to check it out, and then you can start making some extra cash. This application won't make you rich, but it will allow you to make some extra money on the side. So another website that I want to show with you is called Offshore Corp Talk. Okay, so Offshore Corp Talk is a website that as well you can see there are thousands of people registered, and then it's a blog with so many different topics that you can access from right today, and you're gonna see different messages, you're gonna see different threads, and you can start interacting with people and just offer them and refer them to this website, where people are gonna refer money. As I said, you will make thousands of dollars, but it will help you to make some money on the side whilst working and while you're spending your free time. So 2 blogs here for you to check out. You can see that people are actually talking about money, so more likely they might want to sign up with your company and start making even more money with their application and the information that you provide to them. Okay, so this is all I wanted to share, guys, for today's strategy. As you can see, there is proof that people are actually getting paid, and then it's very, very simple for you to start utilizing it and start getting your profit right away. So with that said, I hope that you take massive action starting for today. And then if you want to find out an alternative way to make thousands of dollars per month, then click on the first link in the description. We're gonna send you all the information to your email address so you can get started today. So I hope that you guys are very successful. I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and you can take massive action in all the strategies that I say with you on the daily basis. So take care now, guys, and I'll see you soon.